Book of Heaven, Volume 2, April 9th, 1899. Jesus refreshes her from the pains of his privation, keeping her with him in the tabernacle. This morning, Jesus made himself seen and carried me inside a church. There I listened to Holy Mass and I received communion from the hands of Jesus. After this, I clung to his feet, but so strongly that I could not detach myself. The thought of the pains of the past days, that is, the privation of Jesus, made me fear so much that I might lose him again, that while at his feet I cried and said to him, "This time, O Jesus, I will not leave you any more, because when you go away from me, you make me suffer and wait so much." Jesus told me,
"Come into my arms, for I want to refresh you from the pains of these past days."
I almost did not dare to do it, but Jesus stretched out his hands and took me from his feet, and he embraced me and said,
"Do not fear, for I do not leave you. This morning I want to make you content. Come and stay with me in the tabernacle."
And so we both withdrew into the tabernacle. Who can say what we did? Now he would kiss me, and I him. Now I would rest in him, and Jesus in me. Now I would see the offenses he received, and would make acts of reparation for the different offenses. Who can say the patience of Jesus in the sacrament? It is such and so great that it is frightening just to think about it. But while I was doing this, Jesus made me see the confessor who was coming to call me into myself. Jesus told me,
"Enough now, go, for obedience is calling you."
And it seemed that my soul would return to my body, and indeed the confessor was calling me to obedience. Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.